Hello everyone. The question is, which one of the following statements about morula in humans is correct? So first of all, what is morula? So it is the stage during the embryonic development. Now this is 8 to 16 celled stage and it consists of the cells which are arranged like a solid mass of cells. So cells are attached like mulberry, is protruding outwards. Now the cells are arranged like a solid mass of cell or like a solid ball of cells. So at this stage 18 to 8 to 16 cell stage, the embryo is known as morula. And this morula is now having the cells with cytoplasm and DNA. So we have to compare its DNA and cytoplasmic content with an uncleaved egg. Sorry, zygote. So zygote, also known as fertilized egg, means after fertilization the egg gets converted into the zygote. So zygote is also known as fertilized egg and it is diploid and unicellular. So zygote is having only a single cell. Now this zygote undergoes cleavage. Now the cleavage are strictly mitotic because all the cells will be diploid, and these rapid cleavage means rapid mitotic divisions are known as cleavage. So cleavage are the rapid mitosis which occurs in the zygote to convert it into a multicellular embryo. One more thing about the cleavage is only the DNA content increases, because before every division there is a phase of DNA replication where DNA amount becomes double. So this, it means the DNA content increases but the cytoplasmic content remains same. As the cells increase, they do not increase in size. So cytoplasmic content remains same as that in zygote. Suppose this is zygote, it is having certain amount of cytoplasm and it is having a nucleus with DNA, and this is diploid. Now before every division there will be a phase of DNA replication. Suppose here the amount of DNA is 2C, so it will be 4C. Now there will be division, but the size of this two cell stage will remain similar to the zygote. Here the blastomeres will form and these blastomeres will be like this. They will be smaller than the zygote. Now each cell will be receiving 2C and 2C amount of DNA. Now what happens? The second cleavage will be there. So the cytoplasm means size will be same, but these blastomeres will now be decreasing in size as the four will be formed. So these will be smaller in size. So as the cleavage is going on, the blastomeres are getting decreased in size, but they are receiving the 2C amount of DNA. So we can see when there is 8 to 16 cell stage, then also the cytoplasm will remain same and the size of the blastomeres will keep on decreasing, but the DNA content as we see as a whole means 2C, 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 it means it becomes 8C. Then in 8 to 16 cell it will become more. So we can see the amount of DNA is increasing but the cytoplasmic content is same and the size of blastomeres is going on decreasing and decreasing. So the right answer is it has almost equal quantity of cytoplasm as an uncleaved zygote. So this is uncleaved zygote, it is having same amount of cytoplasm, so right, but much more DNA because it is having more cells, so each cell will be having DNA. So on a sum, if we sum up these, then there will be more DNA content. So right answer is option A. If we look further, then it has far less cytoplasm, so this is incorrect. It has more or less quantity of cytoplasm and DNA as in, so no, DNA content is high. It has more cytoplasm, no, this one is not true. So the right answer of this question is option A. I hope this explanation is clear. All the best.